Referral Auto Group, and just got done with my Celsius, and it dawned on me I may not have invited you to our seminar coming up here on March 16th, a week from this Saturday, at our facility, 1444 First Street in Escalon, and we're going to cover a lot of topics. We titled this event the RV Buying Seminar, the educated buyer arming you for the journey ahead. This is going to empower you to buy that perfect RV for your style of camping and your family, even up against a high pressure salesperson. This is a non-promotional event. We're going to cover topics anywhere from the weights of the trailer, the capacities of your vehicle, making that perfect marriage, where you're going to camp and how that RV is going to dictate and provide for that style of camping, any requirements, different floor plans, the type of connections to your tow vehicle, whether it be a fifth wheel, a gooseneck, or a bumper pull. We're going to cover financing, whether to buy from a private party or a dealer, and the different situations you can end up in. We're going to cover financing. We're going to go over warranties and navigating this current market, even with higher interest rates, because now is a great time to buy. But I'm going to prove it to you through numbers. So I'm not just a dealer telling you that. Again, there's no pressure. This is non-promotional. We're going to serve you coffee and donuts. Come on out and see us. It's free. Make sure to RSVP though. 209-404-2200. My direct extension is 102. Let me know you're coming. I'd love to meet you. Love to see you there and help you navigate this journey. This is for the first time buyer as well as a repeat offender. You're going to walk away with a lot of knowledge and a lot more understanding, and some stuff you may not even thought about if you've done this before. I've done this 30 times. I've owned 30 RVs, and I'm bringing all this knowledge together in a 2-hour PowerPoint presentation. So come on out and see me. Again, call me 209-404-2200 extension 102, or email me Tony with a Y at referralautogroup.com, REFERRAL autogroup.com. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.